a reference librarian at the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. Now, I love the winter holidays and I love macaron cookies, so today we're going to be combining my two loves to make these cute French macaron ornaments. So for this, you are going to need a hot glue gun. You're going to need a paint and a paintbrush. I usually like to use corresponding glitter, so similar color. We need bottle caps, 2 specifically. And we also are going to need string. Now, the first thing I did before joining you today was I painted our 2 bottle caps. In this case, I picked yellow. Try and pick caps that are in good shape and they don't bend too much from being pried open. Twist off caps will work great for this project, and then obviously clean the inside if it's sticky or has any residue before you paint. Now, the reason I painted these ahead of time is because it takes about 3 coats of paint to cover the logos. These yellow ones started as an orange bottle cap, and it still took 4 in this case, though my teal one was only 3 to get it completely covered. And I used acrylic matte paint. So I used it right here. And of course, we want to let it dry before we continue to our next step. All right, for our next step, we're going to take an 8-inch piece of string or twine, and we are just going to loop and knot the end. So we end up with this shape. And then we're going to put a dot of our glue right here in the middle. And affix that. Next, we're going to run a bead of glue along the outside edge of the bottle caps. You gotta work kind of quickly so the glue doesn't dry. And then we're going to stick the 2 sides together. So this is what it looks like so far. Hold for a few seconds while the glue dries. If you're using a hot glue gun, that'll be pretty quick. And now what we're going to do is run our glue along the outside edge all around. I actually like to work in kind of like shifts, in part because we're going to put our glitter on once we do that. All right, voila. So obviously we are now coated. This is supposed to look like the macaron filling that's squishing out. Once you've glittered all the way around, let your macaron dry completely. And now you can admire its teeny sparkly beauty. And hopefully you won't get too hungry. So you can put your macarons on your holiday tree, or you can, use them on like a gift bag, or as like an extra little gift on top of a package for some more pizzazz. Anyway, I hope you enjoy making these cute little Macaron ornaments. Oh, just kidding.